Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of Michael's Backyard Marina. Let's just call it an episode. It's kind of marina-ish, because I am picking up a shed that I plan on storing all these outboard motors that I have in my shop right now, taking up tons of space in cold storage outside, and bring them in one by one as I decide to work on them. So I don't have half my shop consumed with boards just outboards sitting on stands. Well, what you see happening coming up here is the shed was donated to me. Let's just say that there's some fine folks that says, you can come have it for free if you can get it out of here. So I said, challenge accepted. And what you're going to see in this first time lapse is the efforts of me to get it on my trailer. There might have been better ways, but I was stuck with one forklift, one person, this guy, a trailer, and a will and desire to get the building up onto a trailer. And spoiler alert, I got it done. Now, watch the rest of this time lapse and see how I did it. And then we'll check right back in after that, and I'm going to tell you what's coming up next. Enjoy the time lapse. Hi there, folks. It's time to unload the building off the trailer. I'm not crazy excited about it, but I need to get it off the trailer so I can move some of these outboards into it so I have some room to work, create some room for some activities. So it's been out there in the trailer now for about 3 weeks. It's 10 degrees outside. It's cold. And there's snow on the ground now. And I need to get this thing off the trailer. I don't have to, but I have a desire to today. And I think I got an idea how to get it off of there. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I had a fork truck and a dry parking lot to work in, and I was able to manage to get this thing on the trailer. Now I have snow on the ground, 10 degrees outside, and one vehicle, no forklift. I got two vehicles I could probably hook onto it to pull things apart, but I got an idea. So what you're gonna see in time lapse coming up here is me hooking that frame I've got the building setting on right now on the back of the trailer. I want to see if I can hook onto that into a stump right next to where this thing's gonna live. I'll pull that, see if I can chain that frame up to the stump, pull the trailer out from underneath the building while leaving the building on top of this frame. We'll see if that goes. That's step one. Step two, I want to get this frame and building in the position where I want it to land. Step three is going to be hooking a chain onto the frame and the building onto another vehicle and see if I can pull the frame out from underneath the building and have it gently land on the ground. So this part of the video is going to be, is it going to be a cold storage shed for my outboards or bonfire material? That's how bad or good it could go. Anyway, I'm hoping the time lapse comes out. It's 10 degrees outside. I don't know how long my battery is going to last, because in this cold weather, these batteries don't tend to hold their charge as long. And we're going to get out there and see if I can get it done. Right now, the Jeep's out there warming up. It's in four-wheel drive. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Well, folks, we got her done. That was a little bit of work. Believe it or not, sweating my rear end off. I may have overdressed a little bit, but I'd rather sweat than freeze, I guess. But yeah, the building's set in place now. As you guys might have noticed, it don't blam me down below. Yeah, I set it on some snow. Big deal. I'm not putting that much weight in it, and when the snow all melts, it'll just sit right flat on the concrete. Everything will be fine. Won't hurt a thing. But it's a pretty sturdy building overall. You could pick up one corner and teeter-totter that thing so it didn't like collapse. It's structurally pretty sound. I'm looking forward to this summer. I don't like roofing. Nice thing about this little roof is it should go relatively quick. I may even put this little steel roof on it, but I doubt it. I'll probably just buy some shingles, green shingles, match the house, and away and Bob's your uncle, right? We'll get that done, and then we'll paint it. And I'm not sure what color I'm going to paint it yet, but it's going to make an awesome place to put these outboards. I think next weekend I'm going to start dragging outboards out there that I'm not going to work on for the next few months. Clear up some space in here and get after it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I like watching time lapse. I think it's neat to see things progress. And yeah, this was done all by myself. Nobody helped me. I didn't even have a camera person. As you see, I do a lot of things on tripod. But it's on the ground, and it didn't turn into a bonfire material. It turned into actually going to be a building. So I'm pretty tickled with that. You guys wait for the next episode. We've got more stuff coming up, more outboard videos, hopefully more outboards running in the tank. And until next time, if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. This is Michael, and I'm out of frickin' breath.